Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Redmi Pad. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change color scheme between light and dark. Also you can schedule dark mode, enable or disable adjust wallpaper to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and enable dark mode for certain apps. Next, you can change brightness level of the display manually or via automatic brightness. Also you can enable or disable sunlight mode. Then you can enable or disable reading mode, select it between classic or paper, and also you can adjust them. Then you can change color scheme between vivid, saturated, standard, and color temperature. Then you can change refresh rate between custom, 90 or 60 Hz, or default. Then you can change text size, manage when device is in VR, to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and in the end you can enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.